Welcome, our dear viewers, our learners, ladies and gentlemen. This is Gumisiriza Alan, your teacher of English at English with Alan and Norbert on YouTube. Today, we are going to look at a coordinating conjunction, and this is both. How do we use both while joining two sentences? Let's take a look. Here we are with using both dash dash and dash dash. So both, as I have said, it is a coordinating conjunction. A conjunction is a word that joins two or more sentences. Let's take a look at the guidelines. Both is used to talk about two subjects, and in this case, it is used at the start of the sentence. When we are talking about two subjects using both, we use it at the start of the sentence. You also have to know that both can be used in the middle of the sentence when we are talking about one subject doing two different actions. But here we are talking about two subjects doing the same action. Next, it is used with a twin conjunction and. At least from P3, we all know that both goes with and. Next, we use each when speaking of two people or things to emphasize individuality in ownership or possession of separate acts. I have emphasis here. We are talking about two people or things. We use each. Why do we use each? We want to emphasize individuality in possession or ownership of two separate things. We want to talk about John having something and Peter having something. So when we bring those two sentences together, they require us to use each, as we are going to see in our examples. Let's take a look to the first example. John has a pen. Harry has a pen. In these two sentences, we have got two subjects. The first subject is John. The second subject is Harry. But they are all dealing with the same object, and it is having a pen and having a pen by Harry. So when we use both, this sentence will require us to use each. Why do we use each? We want to show that John has his own pen and Harry has his own pen. Therefore, our sentence will look like both John and Harry have a pen each. Both John and Harry have a pen each. Both John and Harry have a pen each. Let's go to the next example. B. A rectangle has four sides. A square has four sides. We all know that a rectangle and a square have got four sides. But in this case, when we use both to talk about a rectangle and a square having four sides, we are supposed to use each. And so we shall say both a rectangle and a square has helping verb has changed to have, since we are talking about two subjects. So we say both a rectangle and a square have four sides each. The answer is both a rectangle and a square have four sides each. We have said we use the main verb have from the main verb has because we are talking about two subjects. For example, my uncle owns 100 cows. My brother owns 100 cows. Here we have got two subjects, my uncle and my brother. And the main verb that is used here is owns. So when we use both, my uncle and my brother, the main verb owns, because of the plural subject, changes and becomes own. And still, we have to use each. And therefore, our answer will be both my uncle and my brother own 100 cows each. Both my uncle and my brother own 100 cows each. Both my uncle and my brother own 100 cows each. Then we can do this activity using or beginning with the structure both dash dash and dash dash. Our first number is I received a letter. Peter received a letter. 2. A cow has 4 legs. A goat has 4 legs. 3. Sarah has a new bag. Dora has a new bag. 4. A bicycle has 2 tires. A motorcycle has 2 tires. You can attempt these numbers using both dash dash and do not. That one brings us to the end of our lesson today. I've been Teacher Alan, teaching you English at English with Alan and Norbert. You can go on and subscribe on your YouTube, search, like us, comment, and keep learning English with us. For inquiries, you can contact us on 0758 586554 or 0785 347652. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.